Dear friends, Shashi Tharoor, born 9 March 1956. He is an Indian politician, writer, and a former diplomat who has been serving as Member of Parliament for Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala since 2009. He is currently the chairman of Committee on External Affairs. He was formerly an Under Secretary General of the United Nations and unsuccessfully ran for the post of Secretary General in 2006. Founder Chairman of All India Professionals Congress. He formerly served as Chairman of the Parliamentary Standing Committee on External Affairs and on Informational Technology. He has about 24 titles to his credit and was awarded by World Economic Forum as Global Leader of Tomorrow. He born in London and raised in Mumbai. Tharoor graduated from St. Stephen's College, Delhi in 1975 and culminated his studies in 1978 with a doctorate in international relations and affairs from the Fletcher School of Law and Diplomacy. Tufts University. At the age of 22, he was the youngest person at the time to receive such an honor from the Fletcher School. From 1978 to 2007, Tharoor was a career official at the United Nations, rising to the rank of Under Secretary General for Communication. He announced his retirement after finishing second in the 2006 selection for UN Secretary General to Ban Ki-moon. His father is Chandrasekharan Nair. His mother is Suleika Menon. Both are belonged to Palakkad, Kerala, India. Tharoor has two younger sisters, Shobha and Smita. Shashi's paternal uncle was Parameswaran Tharoor, the founder of Reader's Digest in India. Tharoor's father, originally from Kerala, worked in various positions in London, Bombay, Calcutta, and Delhi, including a 25-year career culminating as Group Advertising Manager for the Statesman. Tharoor's parents returned to India when he was 2 years old, where he joined the Montfort School, Yercaud, in 1962. Subsequently moved to Bombay, now Mumbai, and studied at the Campion School 1963 to 68. In 1975, Tharoor graduated with a Bachelor of Arts degree in History from St. Stephen's College at the University of Delhi where he had been president of the Students' Union and also founded the Stephens Quiz Club within the same year. Tharoor went to the United States to obtain an MA in International Relations from the Fletcher School of Law and Diplomacy at Tufts University in Medford. After obtaining his MA in 1976, Tharoor further obtained his Master of Arts in Law and Diplomacy in 1977 and his PhD in International Relations and Affairs in 1978. While he was pursuing his doctorate, Tharoor was awarded the Robert B. Stewart Prize for Best Student and was also the first editor of the Fletcher Forum of International Affairs. At the age of 22, he was the youngest person to receive a doctorate in the history of the Fletcher School. He possesses high command over English language. He is famous due to his writings. He is a famous politician and diplomat. His notable works, the great Indian novel, India from Midnight to the Millennium, Why I Am a Hindu, Inglorious Empire, What the British Did to India. He was United Nations Under Secretary General for Communications and Public Information at the time of when Kofi Annan was a Secretary General in the time period from June 1, 2002 to February 9, 2007. He 4 times elected from Thiruvananthapuram Lok Sabha Parliament constituency. In 2014, he was defeated former Union Minister, famous BJP leader O. Rajagopal in a slight majority of 15,470 votes. In 2024, he was defeated former Union Minister and BJP leader Rajiv Chandrasekhar with a slight margin of 16,077 votes in Thiruvananthapuram Lok Sabha constituency. He was Union Minister of State for External Affairs in the office 28 May 2009 to 18 April 2010 under Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. He was Union Minister of State for Human Resource Development in office 28 October 2012 to 26 May 2014 under Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. Chairman of Standing Committee on Communications and Information Technology in office 13 September 2019 to 12 September 2022 in Prime Minister Narendra Modi's ruling period. chairman of a standing committee on chemicals and fertilizers, in office 13 September 2022 to 12 September 2024, in the ruling period of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Founder Chairman of the All India Professionals Congress, in office 1 August 2017 to 15 November 2023. Chairman of a committee on external affairs, incumbent, assumed office on 26 September 2024, in the ruling period of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, which ruling period is now continuing. Tharoor's first wife was Tilotama Mukherjee. A half Bengali and half Kashmiri academic and the granddaughter of politician Kailas Nath Kadju. Tharoor and Mukherjee had been college sweethearts and were married in 1981. After their marriage, Tilotama took her husband's last name and began teaching English at Nagi and Polytechnic, and also worked as a freelance writer. Their twin sons Kanishk and Ishan were born prematurely in 1984 at the KK Hospital in Singapore. Ishan is a former senior editor at Time magazine and now writes on foreign affairs for the Washington Post. Kanishk is a former editor at Open Democracy and is the author of the highly praised short story collections Swimmer Among the Stars. Tilotama is currently a professor of humanities at New York University. Tharoor and Tilotama were divorced at some point. In 2007, Tharoor married Krista Gillis, a Canadian diplomat working at the United Nations. This marriage was short-lived and childless. Tharoor next married Dubai-based businesswoman, a Kashmiri Pandit, Sunanda Pushkar. At his ancestral home in a Yelavanchari village in Kerala's Palakkad district on 22nd August 2010. He became her third husband and stepfather to her son Shivamenon, born of a previous marriage. On 17 January 2014, Pushkar, aged 51, died at the Leela Hotel in Chanakyapuri, New Delhi, under mysterious circumstances. In May 2018, Tharoor was charged with encouraging the suicide of his wife and marital cruelty under sections 306 and 498A of the Indian Penal Code. On 18 August 2021, a court in Delhi discharged Tharoor from all the charges. Tharoor is a vegetarian and he dislikes the idea of consuming the corpses of animals. Although he claimed that he does not have a problem with those who do. He has stated that he is very proud of being a Hindu and that he is a worshipping and believing Hindu. Tharoor also claims to have read a fair amount of the Upanishads. In April 2019, Tharoor had an accident when praying during a Tulabharam ritual at a temple in Thiruvananthapuram. After being discharged, he sought a probe by the government into the incident. His mother tongue is Malayalam. Shashi Tharoor was one of the first 9 celebrities nominated in 2014 by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi to spread awareness regarding clean lines, hygiene and good sanitation and make Swachh Bharat mission a people's movement. He responded by cleaning the Vizhinjam port on the outskirts of Thiruvananthapuram. Currently, he is on the board of advisors of India's international movement to United Nations. In 2009, Tharoor began his political career by joining the Indian National Congress. Tharoor was defeated by Mallikarjun Kharge to be elected as party president in 2022. He is currently a member of the Congress Working Committee, which is the highest decision-making body of the Indian National Congress. He is a Sahitya Akademi Award winner. Tharoor has authored many works of fiction and non-fiction since 1981. In the opinion vote survey about next Chief Minister of Kerala, find out that in UDF, peoples of Kerala most like Shashi Tharoor as the first candidate. The famous Malayalam journalist Sajan Sakaria also favored him as a next Chief Minister of Kerala for the progress of Kerala. Thank you to all. Jai Hind.